Miss sticks to the hinges, but she wakes smoother than I do.
Give it 10 minutes, we'll be knee deep out there.
And knee deep in work.
Kecil senang sekali main lumpur. Asal jangan nyiprat ke bibir. Lihat bangau-bangau itu sudah ke barat, tanda cuaca cerah, kita cepatkan tanam.
Yo, come on, old boy, wake up.
Sparks already. You sure he still remembers us?
He always does. Look, eyes on. Good morning, Giant.
And the little one too.
Let's get to work. That tooth's been clean over.
Give me the small spanner. Here. Come on, there you go.
Free now?
Spinning smooth. She'll walk again.
Good work, kid.
Sun's early today.
Good for the seedlings. Bad for our backs.
Let the big fella carry the weight then.
He'll grumble, but he listens.
Cà bẹ và tay hàng lập.
Fit. Đưa cái tay để xem không nè.
Here is spin.
Spin it.
Smooth spider.
Better than we could with knives, that's for sure.
Watch your lens, Uncle. What's flying?
I see it. It's got some kick today.
Smells like burnt coconut oil and diesel.
That's the sin of progress, boy.
Water's warm this morning. Sun's waking up fast. Mech's cooking itself again.
We'll let it breathe a bit. Steam means it's still alive, eh?
Like us. Just needs a drink.
Back to the patties.
Burned my finger last week tuning it. Worth it.
Steady now. Bracket holding?
Solid. Big guy won't let it slip.
Birds are breathing fast.
Too dark for this hour.
You think it's a hole?
Not with that growl. Best we get the base covered.
Come on. Move those legs, old boy. Faster, Kuda. Rain's right behind us.
Go. Keep that slope up. Little one, stay close. Good. That's it. Just a bit more to the dry line.
Hurry before the sky breaks.
Hold the light steady, will you?
Got it, Uncle.
Thread still rub. Hand me the spanner.
Here.
Good. Little more. There, you see the pin?
Almost out. Got it.
Mud everywhere. We wash later. Slide the new one in.
Done.
She'll walk fine tomorrow.
Hope the rain holds.
She's still awake. Guard mode runs all night. Let her watch the fields. We rest. Storm's coming. Good rain for the patties.
Easy. Lift it straight up first.
Got it. Higher. Just a bit more.
Watch the roots. Don't twist it. Good. Now step back.
Clear on this side. Swing to the right.
Slowly. Let the weight settle.
Lower there. Yeah, that's fine.
Release.
Done. Path's clear.
Good work. Let's move.